In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Forex on MetaTrader 4. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign in with the broker, which first supports MetaTrader 4 and second supports the trading of Forex. So, of course, to do this, you want to go to File, top left, open an account, find your broker, and then you can log in. Now, if you want more in-depth tutorials on how to actually sign in for a specific broker to trade Forex on MT4, I do have separate videos on separate brokers teaching you on how to exactly sign in. Okay, so go watch that first. Then whenever you've done that, to trade Forex, I'm going to use the MetaQuotes demo account, which is the demo account from MT4. And then you want to go to Market Watch. So if I click on this button or press Ctrl M on my keyboard or go to View and then Market Watch, it's going to enter Market Watch where I can see different Forex pairs or symbols. Okay, now if you can't actually see any of them, go to View and click on Symbols, or of course press Ctrl U on your keyboard. And in here you'll have a bunch of different things, and one of them should be Forex if your broker supports it. So I'm going to extend this by clicking, double click, or of course the plus button. And then when you do this, you can just find the Forex you want to trade. For example, I'm going to do a Euro Canadian dollar. I'm going to click on it and click on the show button to show it over here. And then to actually trade it, you can just go and right click and show on chart window. So it's going to basically show your specific currency pair. And you can go and then click on new order up top, or right click and new order over here, or press F9 on your keyboard, and you'll be able to select the symbol again if it's correct, set the volume, stop loss and take profit in comments if you want to, then select the order type, and then you can just go ahead and buy and sell. And using these two buttons, you can then trade Forex just like this. Okay, so that's how easy it is, and you can then see your trades down here at the bottom left in the trade tab. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.